we'll multiply square roots. We have the square root of 5 times the square root of 10. And to begin, I can just multiply the radicands. I can write this as the square root of 5 times 10. And now we need to look and see if we can simplify this. And let's just, before I carry out any multiplications, let's just factor. 5 is a prime number. It can't be factored, but 10 is 2 times 5. So I have the square root of 5 times 2 times 5. And I can write that then as a product of square roots, the square root of 5 times 5 times the square root of 2. I put this pair of 5s together so that when I take their square root, I have a perfect square. Actually, the pair of 5s gives me a perfect square. And when I take the square root of 5 times 5, I get 5. So the final result is 5 times the square root of 2.